everyone knows. Well, Ice Slim Flat Tummies is the packaging of Ice Slim Flat Tummies when it is concerned. It is actually called as an assorted packaging. We call them as assorted packaging actually. In the sense, this particular packaging can hold 28 sachets, or we call it as 28 pouches of 4 different flavors, and totally it is 28 in numbers, and each flavor is 7 in numbers. So this is how the 28 bars are counted. So this packaging is actually called as the assorted packaging. So this is one of the regulatory words that we normally use, one of the licensing words that is normally used in accordance with the Ayush Department, Government of India. Well, my dear friends, Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar, as everybody knows, has 5 important attributes. There are 5 important attributes. The first and the foremost thing is it is having very less calorie. Why I am telling you this point is, normally this kind of a bar is called as a partial meal replacement bar. It is not a complete meal replacement bar, whereas this is actually called as a partial meal replacement bar, where we have to suggest people to skip one of their meals in a day, and that meal has to be covered with this bar. This is actually called as the meal has to be replaced with this bar. So it is called as a partial meal replacement. It is not a complete meal replacement. Why I am telling about less calorie is, so normally when we are replacing a meal, that particular replacement should not have more calorie. So normally why do we eat food? We eat food because food contains a lot of calories. Whenever we skip a meal, we are actually skipping calories. The same point of time, you are suggested to eat an Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar which contains less calories, which is actually balancing the situation there. It also contains a very good combination of synergistic actives. We call them as a patented synergistic botanical extract blend. Synergism in the sense, it is an adding mechanism. It is not a deleting mechanism. It's an additional mechanism actually, where 3 important herbs which are actually present in this wonderful product, they are in combination with each other and they show their benefits. This is what is exactly called as patented synergistic herbal extracts. And Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar is a wonderful weight management product as well, which means that the word weight management has 3 important meanings. The first thing is in order to increase the weight, the second thing is to maintain the weight, the third thing is to reduce the weight. The word weight management can be interpreted in these 3 ways. Either it is weight increase, maintaining the weight, or decreasing the weight. I hope my point is clear to everyone here. It is also a bar which is fiber rich. Why I am telling you this is, unlike the other protein bars which are available in the market, most of them are protein based, which are high amounts of protein. Whereas Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar is mainly fiber based, my dear friends. It is not the protein based bar. It is natural fiber based bar. That is the reason why most of us experience a kind of a detoxification process which happens after the consumption of Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar, which mainly includes increased heat in the body. It also includes loose motion sometimes. It also may have vomiting sometimes. All these things can happen once or twice after the intake of Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar, because it contains the goodness of natural fibers. The fibers are always important for the detoxification procedure. And in fact, finally, the Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar is a natural based bar. It is having 100% natural extracts. It is not having any other side effects. It does not have any colors which are added artificially. It does not have any flavors which are added artificially. It is absolutely made up of the fresh fruit, as well as the base is also made up of 100% natural ingredients without any preservatives or colorants, or in other words, as we call it as additives or excipients, are also not present in this wonderful Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar. I hope my point is clear to you. So far as the understanding of overweight and obesity is concerned, see, overweight and obesity is basically called as a metabolic disorder. It is not a disease, my dear friends. It is called as a metabolic disorder. Disorder is nothing but a combination of various diseases. Obesity and overweight are also called as one of the parts of metabolic disorder. See, normally what happens in our human body is, whatever you ingest, it might be the food, it might be the medicine, it undergoes 4 important pharmacological processes. The first thing is absorption, the second thing is digestion, the third thing is excretion, The fourth thing is assimilation. So this is what exactly happens. Digestion and assimilation as well. So this is how the ADME, we call them as the ADME pathway. Whether it is a food or the medicine, this is a pathway which happens. See, ultimately the medicines are very, very less in quantity what we consume. But the food on the other hand, we cannot survive without the food or the diet. So we are consuming food on a daily basis since our birth. So it might be the liquid food or it might be the solid food or whatever it is. So whatever the food which goes inside has to undergo a process called as metabolism. So this is where the whole impairment happens in the human body. So whenever your metabolism is impaired, a lot of disorders can come out. So one of the disorders which come out because of impaired metabolism is called as overweight and obesity. See, both overweight and obesity are basically, they are these two faces of a coin, as you can call, and both of them are a part of metabolic disorder. So overweight and obesity are mainly categorized based on the body mass index. We call it as the BMI. So that is how we measure the overweight and obesity, as everybody knows. So in fact, the overweight and obesity is not a single disease. It is a combination of various other symptoms, starting from diabetes. See, people with diabetes are prone to obesity symptoms. On the same side, the other face of the coin, if you see, people with obesity will also suffer from a lot of diabetic related complications. Both of them are like brothers in arms. That is how diabetes and obesity are related to each other. Second thing is the cardiovascular diseases. So normally what happens, obesity will lead to a lot of bad fat. We call them as the low density lipoproteins or the LDL. We also call them as the triglycerides. So both of this increases inside the heart, leading to a lot of heart diseases which happen. They are called as the cardiovascular diseases. Decrease in immunity. This is also very important. So whenever a person is obese in nature, the immunity will also reduce. The resistance will also reduce. See, iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is not a simple weight management bar. It also contains wonderful ingredients which can enhance the immunity of a human being. That is the reason why we call all the Indus Viva products as frontline immune boosting supplements. I hope my point is clear to you. It also poses an increased risk of cancer, my dear friends. Why I am telling you this is obesity and overweight nowadays is leading to a lot of secondary complications in the human body, which is eventually leading to cancer-like situations. Not only this, because of increased body weight, it has a lot of pressure on the joints and the bones, which leads to osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Especially the joint related complaints increase whenever the body weight increases. It also leads to respiratory problems like asthma, because whenever the bad fat like the low density lipoprotein or the bad cholesterol or the triglycerides increase in the human body, it normally has a lot of pressure on the diaphragm, which leads to a lot of compression in the lungs of the human being, resulting in asthma. So obesity is also related to asthma. So the next thing is high blood cholesterol. So whatever the cholesterol that we are eating inside, it might be in the terms of LDL or in the terms of triglycerides, they're all accumulating in your heart. Increased cholesterol can lead to a lot of heart attacks. So not only this, the renal failure, the kidney failure is also caused because of overweight and obesity. So whenever we consume a lot of bad fat and processed fat, automatically the renal disease or the kidney disease is also seen. So along with that, psychological and emotional effects are also observed a lot with this overweight and obesity. Uric acid increase also happens whenever a person becomes obese, leading to severe inflammation and pain in the joints, especially the fingers and the toes of the hands and the legs. This is called as the gouty arthritis. Along with this, people also suffer from a major complaint which is seen across the globe these days, called as the low back pain. That is also caused because of overweight and obesity. Even in pregnant women, if the fat is more, the bad fat is more. So whenever the belly fat, the bad fat, so these are more, so automatically this can also lead to a lot of teratogenic effects in the fetus, which means that there might be defects in the development of the infant inside the mother's womb. This can also happen. Liver disease is one thing that people should not forget. So whenever a person, he or she becomes obese or overweight, liver is one organ which is actually, it is damaged to the core. The fat, the bad fat actually enters into the liver, leading to a condition called as fatty liver condition. That is one of the most commonest thing which is happening in India today. Eventually, when you see the CT scan or even the ultrasound scan reports, most of the times It is always grade 1 or grade 2 or grade 3 fatty liver issues which are seen in patients a lot. This is also the basic reason for this is the obesity and the overweight. Finally, the paralysis stroke. People once thought that it is mainly because of the increased blood pressure or the hypertension, the paralysis stroke is actually happening. But eventually when we see these days, even the bad fat which is accumulating inside the brain, so which is the low density lipoprotein or the triglycerides for that matter, increased accumulation of this bad fat can also clog the arteries and the vessels in the brain, leading to a lot of massive strokes these days. That is also one major reason haunting Indians today, my dear friends. Why I am telling you all these things is, see, disease is always one. The root causes of diseases are many in numbers. So whenever you control or prevent or protect the root causes of the diseases, automatically the manifestation of the disease can be stopped. That is what is the importance of wellness products, my dear friends. Always the manifestation of the disease has to be stopped. The root causes of the disease has to be stopped. This is what is very important. So all these things what I described you right now are called as the root causes of the disease. So whenever you are suggesting or consuming iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, you are not only managing or controlling the weight, but at the same point of time, you are cutting down the root causes of the disease, which will eventually help you in stopping the manifestation of the disease in the future. That is how the human health can be protected. I hope that is why the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is considered as a holistic weight management support. Holistic weight management support bar, because the bad fat which is there in the human body, the bad fat in the sense, the bad fat is not localized to one organ or the system. The bad fat, it is pervading, it is spreaded across the human body actually. That is what is the importance of fat and how to combat fat by the use of such products. So, as I told you, the synergistic combination of iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, synergistic combination in the sense there are three important botanical ingredients present in iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. The first ingredient is called as the Salacia reticulata. We call them as Salacia, which is also called as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga in the Indian terminologies. So this particular ingredient is called as anti-diabetic in nature. The second thing is Coleus forscoli. Coleus forscoli, which I am going to tell you in detail today. Coleus forscoli is also called as Coleus in English, where the root of the plant smells like camphor. This particular ingredient is also important for weight reduction. So the third ingredient is called as sesame seeds or the Sesamum indicum, which is nothing but your sesame seeds or the gingerly seeds. So the black ones. This is also responsible for reducing the cholesterol levels. So whenever you look into the major three ingredients of iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, the first and the foremost thing is Salacia, the second is Coleus forscoli, the third thing is sesame seeds, which reduces the diabetes level, sugar levels, which reduces the weight, which reduces the cholesterol levels as well. So this is how the synergistic combination of iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is working, my dear friends. So not only this, so in fact, iSlim Flat Tummies Bar also contains the wonderful Coleus forscoli, as I was telling you. Patients with cardiac diseases such as heart disease, high blood pressure and diabetes are at risk of COVID-19. Everybody knows these days, because people with such secondary infections always have very weak immunity. So whereas this Coleus forscoli is one of the best ingredients which is present in iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, this also has a wonderful immune boosting capability. Coleus forscoli has immune boosting capabilities which can boost your immune system. That is what Coleus forscoli can do. In fact, Coleus has been used for a variety of conditions as it exhibits the immune system boosting capability by activating the cells called as macrophages and lymphocytes. See, whenever you look into the blood cells, there are three types of blood cells. One is called as the RBC, the second is called as the WBC, the third is called as the platelets. So far as the WBC is concerned, there are two important subtypes of WBC called as the macrophages and the lymphocytes. So Coleus forscoli in a variety of clinical trials has shown that it has wonderful activity on macrophages and lymphocytes, so that this particular ingredient can boost the immunity. This is proved by the science, my dear friends. This is proved in various publications and papers across the globe. In fact, the Coleus forscoli has been used as a functional food as well for treating obesity and promoting healthy weight management. So this is also an established fact across the world. So not only this, Coleus forscoli contains an ingredient called as forskolin. It is called as forskolin, which is a natural component present in Coleus forscoli. This particular forskolin is called as a diterpene, which is a natural component, and this is responsible for reducing the inflammation levels, as well as it is also responsible for cutting down the fat molecules or the bad fat molecules inside the human body. This is what Coleus forskoli does. This is a very important thing which is responsible for thermogenic activity as well. Thermogenesis in the sense it tries to burn the fat, the bad fat inside the body. So it might be the liver fat, it might be the subcutaneous fat, it might be the fat in the fat in the planks, anywhere in the body, across the body. That is the reason why I am using the word holistic weight management support, my dear friends. So in fact, Coleus forskoli is a wonderful ingredient for most of the types of cancers. It is good for allergies, bladder infections, blood clots, sleeplessness, which is nothing but insomnia, irritable bowel syndrome. We call it as IBS, obesity, sexual problems, as well as urinary tract infections. So these are some of the areas where Coleus forskoli is actually used. Not only this, my dear friends, our product also has the goodness of the fibers. As I was telling you, it contains the oats fibers as well as the ragi fibers. So both these fibers are involved in the detoxification which happens in the human body. So the next thing is it also contains the goodness of soy protein and the whey protein as well. So the soya protein is one thing which is derived from the soya bean, whereas the whey protein is actually derived from milk. So both these proteins we are actually using in terms of their hydrolysates. We call this as protein isolates or hydrolysates. We are not using the crude protein, whereas we are using the isolated protein, which is nothing but diluted proteins. So no protein allergies or protein related problems can happen inside the body. So not only this, it also contains the goodness of ashwagandha, one of the important herbs which is used in this, as well as Mucuna pruriens or the velvet bean extract. Both of these extracts can help in reducing the stress during the weight management process. This is what exactly these two ingredients will do inside the human body. So iSlim, what is eventually the use of iSlim? As I told you, root causes of the problem is very important to us rather than the problem itself. We are trying to cut down the root causes of the disease, which is very important to us. In fact, iSlim leads to weight loss by the reduction of body weight and increasing the lean body mass. It is a powerful product to control the bad fat as well as the blood pressure as well. It also helps in controlling the other conditions which are associated with obesity, like asthma or the respiratory problems. It also helps or prevents the body to store the excess fat. That particular area of the body where the fat is excessively stored, that particular prevention of storing the excessive fat can happen with the help of this Coleus, a wonderful ingredient which is present in the product, my dear friends. So, as you all know that, as I told you, diabetes and obesity are two faces of a coin. So, whenever a person is diabetes, he or she can develop any symptom of obesity anytime. Or similarly, whenever a person is obese in nature, he or she can also develop symptoms of diabetes on the other hand. So that is the reason why people with diabetes can also be given iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar without worrying much about the side effects. The second thing is the blood pressure. Whenever a person is having blood pressure, either low or high blood pressure, iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar can be given. The third thing, during the pregnancy also, during the first 6 months of pregnancy, iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar can be given. During the lactation or the breastfeeding process, for the first month it should not be given. From the second month onwards, iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar can be given to the lactating women or the breastfeeding women as well. And even in the thyroid problems, especially as I told you, thyroid is one area that all the doctors are focusing on these days, especially the hypothyroidism in women, which leads to weight gain. Even in such conditions, iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar can be given safely. Thyroid issues is one thing, heart issues as well, because most of the heart problems eventually end with clogging of the vessels inside the heart because of increased bad fat. So this can also be protected and prevented by the use of iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar. And even in some of the skin issues like cellulite, we call this as cellulite, not cellulitis, it is cellulite. For the anti-cellulite activity, iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar can be safely used. For better results, I would like to suggest people to consume one iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar in the night between 7 to 9 p.m. after an optional light dinner at 6 p.m. This is how iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar must be consumed. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So with this, friends, I would like to end this short topic on iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar with special emphasis on Coleus forestoli. It is otherwise called as Coleus in English, a wonderful herb, a wonderful root for managing the weight loss, as well as a wonderful root which also brings about a lot of metabolic changes and other important health benefits in the human body. I would like to request you to share this video on other social media platforms as well, and share this as watch parties as well, so that people who are not able to see this live can also understand how exactly this product has some of the major ingredients which are not only weight management ingredients but also immune boosting ingredients, my dear friends. Thank you so much for your patience. So now this is a question answer time. So today, let me take some of the questions which were asked last week, followed by the present week's questions. So the first question I'm taking here from the last week: if I'm using iSlim, iPulse and iCoffee, how do I use them and when the condition is pre-diabetic? See, if you are using iSlim, iPulse and iCoffee, the order should be like this. iCoffee should be the first product. After consuming iCoffee in the morning, leave a gap of 15 minutes, 30 ml of iPulse, leave a gap of 15 minutes, you can have your breakfast. Even in the night, the first product must be iCoffee. Follow the same rule in the morning as in the morning, leave a gap of 15 minutes, then consume iPulse, then leave a gap of 15 minutes, then you can have dinner. But if you are consuming iSlim bar, it should be consumed between 7 to 9 p.m. in the evening by having an optional dinner at 6 p.m. So before that only you can consume iPulse, no issues. Before your optional dinner, you can consume both iCoffee and iPulse, but there should be a gap of 15 minutes. I hope my point is clear to you. So, and if the condition is pre-diabetic also, don't worry, this order can be followed. The first is iCoffee, second is iPulse, third is iSlim bar. So the next question is, couple of people gained weight after following diet chart. Well, one important thing I want to tell you here, the protein diet is very, very important. The protein diet has to be cut down. The carbohydrate diet has to be cut down. Only then the weight management can be achieved. See, what you can do is, diet not only plays an important role. Along with that, the exercise and lifestyle also plays a very important role. People should also drink a lot of fluids, around about 3.5 to 4 liters of water, and light to heavy exercise can be done along with proper diet. This will definitely help in reducing the weight, my dear friend. So the next question is, does iSlim reduce belly fat or whole body fat? It reduces whole body fat as well as belly fat. As I told you, iSlim is a holistic weight management support. Fat is not only confined to your stomach. Try to understand this, my dear friends. It is a holistic product. It is a product which is taking care of your body from head till the toe. I think I spoke about major conditions which are happening because of obesity, starting from diabetes till gout arthritis. That is the reason why this is very important to be used as a holistic healthcare supplement always. So it helps on both the belly fat as well as the whole body fat. One of my consumer could not get sleep after using iSlim and he has stopped now. This is one such query that I've got here. I don't think there is any relationship with the sleep. We have not got any such query before. Probably there might be some issues with his sleep, but not related to the product, my dear friend. So one of the other questions that I'm seeing here, can I consume iSlim Flat Tummies bar in both day and night? Suppose if your weight is more than 80 kgs, 80, such people can consume one product in the morning and one bar in the night. But you have to skip the food only once in a day, not twice a day. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question, today's questions I would like to take. The questions have been collected by my colleague Dr. Vinil. The first question is by Ms. Gina Fernandez. So Ms. Gina Fernandez is asking me a question. If you're watching this, my person's weight is 127 kgs and can iSlim bar in the afternoon, as the timings are not in place, as he has to travel and the dinner, he can't have the iSlim bar. Definitely, if it is a 127 kgs case, as I told you right now, Miss Gina, you have to give 2 bars in a day, one in the morning and one in the evening as well. So 1 bar in the morning, he can skip the breakfast. 1 in the afternoon or in the evening, he can have light lunch and dinner, no issues. But once in a day, he has to skip the food. But 2 bars in a day would definitely be helpful in this case. I hope my point is clear, but only one time is skipping of the meal. So the next question is by Ms. Sanika Shah. How can we consume iSlim for weight increase and maintain it? So always after the consumption of iSlim bar, you should have good protein and carbohydrate diet. You should not skip the meals. You should always continue the meals. This will definitely help in increasing the weight. Only 1 bar a day is enough even in this condition. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is by Mr. Banu Prakash. If you are watching this, I gave iSlim to a consumer. She is using it from 1 month but no changes in her weight. Let me know what exactly can be done. Mr. Banu Prakash, one thing that you can do is ask her to follow the diet chart which is already available on the website. You can log into the website and can get both the vegetarian and the non-vegetarian diet charts. You can definitely use them and get the benefits done. As I told you before, during the detoxification process, it is very important for you to consume at least 3.5 to 4 liters of water in a day. Not only that, also have light to medium to heavy exercise is also suitable in case of reducing the weight. Especially the running or the jogging or even a brisk walking can also help you out. So the next question is by Mr. Kanhe. iSlim is sugar free but in the packet is mentioned as low sugar. Can you please explain? Yes, it's a very good question. It is sugar free, but the low sugar is always attributed to some of the ingredients which are present in the product. What exactly happens here is, why we are using the word low sugar is, for example, in case of mango and orange, only in the case of mango and orange for that matter, we are using the fruit pulps which contains a sugar called as fructose, which is very, very mild as compared to your regular sugar. That is the reason why, so far as the regulatory packaging things are concerned, we are putting the low sugar there. So I hope the point is clear to you. In chocolate and vanilla, absolutely the fruits are not there. So that is the reason why the sugars are absolutely zero. Whereas in mango and orange, the pulp of the fruit is there, which contributes to the fructose sugar, which is very, very low in nature. So we should not mention the word fructose on the pack as per the rules and the regulations of the government. So we are using the word low sugar. I hope the point is clear to you. The next question is by Mr. Sairam Nagatula. If I don't have proper sleep, we are going on gaining weight even after taking iSlim for 2 months. I hope if your sleep problem is connected to something else, I would suggest you to consult your physician for that. But this does not really cause any sleep disturbances, because we don't have an adverse drug report stating that iSlim Flat Tummies Bar has caused a sleep disturbance from anywhere. This is the second question that I am taking today actually on the same topic, but definitely we will take this into consideration and we will try to study this. But again, I would like to tell you that till now, after the licenses and even the publications of the paper have happened and even the clinical trials have happened on it, we have not found out a case of sleep disturbance so far as the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is concerned, my dear friend. I hope my point is clear to you. It is always important. Suppose if your sleep is not proper, I would definitely suggest you to consult your physician and get a solution for this. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Mr. Varun Jain. Some of the people are obese from childhood and their parents are also obese. In such cases, will iSlim have an impact? Absolutely yes. Even though the obesity is hereditary in nature. Again, I want to tell everyone who is watching this show one thing. Overweight and obesity does not really mean the stature of a person. When a person, he or she is fat to look at, you should not come to a conclusion that they have overweight and obesity. Even a person who is thin in nature, for example, lean in nature, they will also have overweight and obesity symptoms. As I told you, overweight and obesity is a metabolic disorder. It is not a single disease. It has a lot of variation, starting from diabetes, gout, whatever it is. All these are the symptoms of overweight and obesity. Even a lean person can have all these symptoms. But only by the stature, only by the shape of the person, we should not come to a conclusion. So hereditary definitely plays a role, but still the overweight and obesity symptoms can lead to a lot of secondary complications like the heart problems and so on and so forth. That is the reason why it is always better for you to consume iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. Suggest them the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar for safe weight management. The next question is by Mr. Pradeep Sharma. How much salcital is used in iSlim Flat Tummies Bar? See, one thing is important here. It is called as a synergistic, active or a patented herbal formulation. In fact, the extracts are always used in milligram levels. All the 3 extracts, whatever I spoke to you right now, Salacia reticulata, it is Coleus forcefoli and Sesamum indicum. This is actually a good formulation which has gone inside. All of them put together will be around about, I'm just telling you again, it is in the form of milligrams. It is around about 12 to 15 milligrams basically, not more than that. Because extracts are highly potent ingredients and their potency is too high always. Very, very small dosages will have beneficial effects. We are just using about 12 to 15 mg dosages there. I hope my point is clear to you. The next question is by Mrs. Varalakshmi. If you are watching this, can iSlim consume throughout the day or at a time? No, you should not use it in bits and pieces. No, you have to consume it all at once you open the packet. Do not consume half the bar also. You should consume one bar completely at once, not throughout the day. Better in the evening times. The next question is by Payal. Can light dinner be taken after Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar? You can have it, especially made out of wheat, as well as you can also have this fruit juices basically without sugar. Fruit juices without sugar or vegetables without much salt, that can be used as well. But drink a lot of fluids. You can have wheat items, but not too much carbohydrate and protein items should not be used. The next question is by Mr. Dara Prasad. If you are watching this, please explain how Ice Slim Flat Tummies works. Okay, I think Mr. Dara Prasad, I hope I have explained the whole thing. Even in the end, I have told you. Basically, Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar is a holistic weight management bar. As I told you, weight management can be interpreted in three ways. Either to increase the weight, to maintain the weight, or to decrease the weight. It has all the three activities. In fact, Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar has ingredients which are thermogenic in nature. Thermogenic in the sense they burn the fat inside the body, they burn the bad fat inside the body and maintain the good fat inside the body. This is how Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar work. So the next question is, how long should we use Ice Slim to get the best results? As I told you, as a part of the wellness supplement, I would like to tell you to consume this at least for a minimum period of 3 months, maximum as long as desired. So the next question is by Mr. Deepak Sen. One of my friend is using Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar and complains about constipation and acidity. Constipation and acidity in the stomach is one thing, and he has any other fat issues. That is what the question that I am seeing here. As I told you, my dear friend, so what exactly happens is the detoxification process might cause these the increase in the BMR, as we call it as the basal metabolic rate, or the heat inside the body. So what I would like to tell you here is to consume a lot of fruits, vegetables, as well as consume a lot of water. 3.5 to 4 liters of water will definitely help you to get rid of this condition. And also it suggests you to follow the diet chart, either the vegetarian or the non-vegetarian diet chart, to get the full health benefits of Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Mr. Anas Vidal D'Souza. Miss Anas Vidal D'Souza, if you are watching this, my friend used 1 iPulse and 3 Ice Slim boxes, drinking plenty of water and doing 1 hour exercise, but she did not lose her weight. What could be the reason for this? One thing, Ms. D'Souza, if you are watching this, if she is using Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar, limit the iPulse dose always. iPulse should be used at 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before the food. And Ice Slim bar should be strictly used between 7 to 9 p.m. and optional light dinner at 6 p.m. This is the way it has to be used. I hope my point is clear to you. With this, the exercise letter continue. Please do follow the diet chart which is there on the website, either the vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Cut down on the protein and the carbohydrate diet. Definitely, with a lot of fluid and a fiber diet, definitely the weight is going to reduce. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question is Mr. Parashuram Behera. So can we use this for heart valve issues? What are the doses and times? That is what I am trying to see the question here. So definitely in case of the heart valves, especially the bad fat is always accumulated inside the heart, it is very important for any such person to be given this Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar, so that further accumulation and clogging of the pores, clogging of the vessels with the fat can be prevented. That is what the whole idea is, Mr. Parashuram. You can definitely suggest them Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Mr. Uwais Muhammad. So Mr. Uwais Muhammad is asking this. One of the customer is using Ice Slim for the last 4 months. So she also has used iPulse but not able to reduce the weight, 83 kgs, now it is 80 kgs. Her diet plans and consumption was proper. As I told you in one of the other cases, Mr. Mohammed, iPulse should be 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. Ice Slim should be strictly adhered by consuming it in the evenings between 7 to 9 p.m. by having an optional diet at 6 p.m. This will definitely help out in bringing better results. Cut down the dose of iPulse in this condition. Definitely the condition can be maintained. with lots of intake of fluid as well as following medium to heavy exercise can definitely help in monitoring this. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question that I am taking here is from Mr. Raghavendra Sai Surishetty. Can iSlim help in reducing stretch marks and sagging skin? One of my friend is having these because he reduced from 140 to 85 kgs. A very good question, Mr. Raghavendra Surishetty. As I told you, this product is a very good anti-cellulite product as well. Cellulite or stretch marks are nothing but spreading of the fat below the skin. They are the superficial fat as we call. Definitely you can start iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar by evening 7 to 9 p.m. By having an optional diet at 6 p.m. Definitely the things would improve in this condition. Mr. Pradeep Sharma is asking me a question. Any white sugar is used in iSlim Bar? No. There is no added sucrose or white sugar in iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar. So thank you so much, Vivites. Those were the questions of the day. Don't worry, there is a link which is appearing below. Please do log into the link and pose your questions. We are happy to answer each and every questions of yours. Thank you so much, Vivites, for your wholehearted participation. As I told you, I'll be coming back live tonight at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time on Indus Viva INC Facebook page. If someone has not liked the page, please do like and subscribe the page. You can see me live at 10 p.m. today. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.